Dear students, next I am going to explain word problems. This is exercise 2.1. Only 5 sums I had given. Please do it in your classwork copy. Question number 1. In the beginning of April, the school library had 66,500 books. During the month, 8,947 books were issued to the students and the teachers. How many books remained in the library at the end of the month? So, what is given in the question? I have written again. Now you see solution. Total number of books in the library. Total how many books in the library? 66,500 books. Some books they have taken. Who? Students and teachers. How many books they have taken? 8,947. What we are going to find means how many books are remaining in the library. Remaining means we have to do the subtraction from the total. So from total how many books? 66,500. How many books they have taken? 8,947. Now you see, when you will do the subtraction, from ones place we have to do 7 from 0. We cannot do the subtraction because 0 is the smallest number, so we can borrow from the neighbor. In that neighbor nothing is there in the tens place, so again we have to borrow from the neighbor. In that 100 place 5 is here, so we can borrow 1 tens. So here 0 is here in the tens place. We can borrow means 0 will become 10, 5 will become 4. Now we can borrow from the tens place. Here 0 is here. When we can borrow 1 tens means 0 will become 10. This 10 will become 9. 10 minus 7 is equal to 3. 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. Here 4 is here. 9 from 4 we cannot do the subtraction. Again we can borrow from the neighbor. Here 6 is here. We can borrow 1 tens. So 4 will become 14. Here 5 is here. 14 minus 9 is equal to 5. Here 5 is here. 8 from 5 we cannot do the subtraction. Again we can borrow from the neighbor 1 tens. So 5 will become 15. 6 will become 5. 15 minus 8 is equal to 7. So 5 directly we can write. Hence there 57,553 books are remaining in the library. Question number 2. A merchant had 78,543 sacks of potatoes. On Monday he sold 3,748 sacks. On Tuesday 5,637 sacks. How many sacks did he sell in all on these 2 days? So total number of sacks of potatoes, how many? 78,543. On Monday how many sacks he sold? 3,748. On Tuesday 5,637. What we are going to find means in 2 days, Monday and Tuesday, how many sacks he sold? Total how many sacks? Total means we have to do the addition. So on Monday how many? 3,748. On Tuesday 5,637. So first we have to do the plus. So 8 plus 7 is equal to 15. 5 we have to write here. 1 carry over to the tens place. 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. 7 plus 6 is equal to 13. 3 we have to write in the 100 place. 1 carry over to the thousands place. 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. So these 2 days how many sacks he sold? 9,385. Next what we are going to find means how many sacks were left, how many sacks are remaining. So remaining means from the total we have to do the subtraction. Total how many sacks? 78,543. These 2 days how many? 9,385. So when you will do the subtraction, you have to start from ones place. 5 from 3 we cannot do the subtraction because 3 is the smallest number. We can borrow from the neighbor, so we can borrow 1 tens. So 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. 3 will become 13. 13 minus 5 is equal to 8. Here 3 is here. 8 from 3 we cannot do the subtraction. Again we can borrow from the neighbor. 1 tens we can borrow. So 3 is here. We can borrow 1 tens. So 3 will become 13. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. 13 minus 8 is equal to 5. 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. 9 from 8 we cannot do the subtraction because 8 is the smallest number. Again we can borrow from the 10,000s place. So as a 10,000 place, 7 is here, 7 minus 1 is equal to 6, we can borrow 1 tenth. So 8 will become 18. 18 minus 9 is equal to 9, 6 directly we can take. So hence 69,158 sacks of potatoes were left. Question number 3. In a beehive, there are 55,299 honey bees. This is a total number of honeybees in a beehive. On Monday, 4,684 of them went out in the morning looking for flowers. 3,276 bees went out in the afternoon. How many bees went out looking for flowers on Monday? How many bees did not leave the beehive on Monday? Solution. Total number of honeybees in a beehive. How many? 55,299. Number of bees went out in the morning. Morning, how many bees went out? 4,684. In the afternoon, how many bees went out? 3,276. What is the first question means? How many bees went out looking for flowers on Monday? 2 times they went out, morning and afternoon. So total how many times? 2 times. So we have to do the plus. Morning 4,684, afternoon 3,276. Total how many bees went out looking for flowers on Monday? So we have to do the addition. 4 plus 6 is equal to 10. 0 we have to write here. 1 carry over to the next place. 1 plus 8 is equal to 9. 9 plus 7 is equal to 16. 6 we have to write here. 1 carry over to the next place. 1 plus 6 is equal to 7. 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. So on Monday, how many bees went out? 7,960 honeybees went out looking for flowers. Next, how many bees did not leave? How many bees did not go outside looking for the flowers? So from the total we have to do the subtraction. Total how many number of bees? 55,299. Total number of honeybees. On Monday, how many honeybees went out? 7,960. So what we are going to find means how many honeybees did not leave the beehive. We have to do the subtraction. So 9 minus 0 is equal to 9. 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. 9 from 2 we cannot do the subtraction because 2 is the smallest number. So we can borrow from the neighbor. So we can borrow 1 tenth from the neighbor. So 2 is here, we can borrow 1 tenth. So 2 will become 12. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. 12 minus 9 is equal to 3. Here 4 is here. 7 from 4 we cannot do the subtraction. Again we can borrow 1 tenth. 4 is here, we can borrow 1 tenth. So 4 will become 14. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. 14 minus 7 is equal to 7. 4. So hence there are 47,339 bees did not leave the beehive on Monday. Question number 4. Light travels at the speed of 3 lakh km in 1 second. If it has already travelled 1,05,342 km, how much more distance is left for the ray of light to travel? Solution. Light travels for 1 second. For 1 second, how many kilometers? How much kilometers it travelled? 3 lakh kilometer. Already travelled how much kilometer? 1,05,342 kilometer. What we are going to find means how much more distance is left. So left means remaining. We have to do the subtraction. Left over. So from the 3 lakh we have to do the subtraction. 3 lakh kilometer minus 1,05,342. Here 0 is here. 2 from 0 we cannot do the subtraction because 0 is the smallest number. If we want to borrow means here nothing is here. So where is number is here? Here lakhs place number is 3. So from the lakhs place we can borrow 1 tenth. So we can borrow from one here lakhs place to 10,000 place, again 10,000 places to thousands place, 1,000 places to 100 place, 100 places to tens place. From the tens place we can borrow 1 tens. So here 0 will become 10, this 10 will become 9. So 10 minus 2 is equal to 8, 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. Here also 9 because already we have borrowed from that places. 9 minus 3 is equal to 6, 9 minus 5 is equal to 4, 9 minus 0 is equal to 9. Here because we borrowed from that lakhs place, so 3 minus 1 is equal to 2, 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. So hence how many kilometer is left over? Hence 1,94,658 kilometer is left to travel. Question number 5. Mary takes a loan of rupees 57 lakh from Tena Bank to buy a house. If she has to pay rupees 3,21,000 from her own pocket, how much does the house cost? Solution. She takes money from the bank. How much rupees? Rupees 57 lakh. From her own pocket, how much rupees she paid? Rupees 3,21,000. The cost of the house. Total how much money she paid for the house. Total means we have to do the addition. 57 lakh plus rupees 3,21,000. So what is the cost? 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. Here also 0. 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. 0 plus 2 is equal to 2. 7 plus 3, 10. 0 we have to write here. 1 carry over to the next place. 1 plus 5 is equal to 6. Hence the cost of the house is rupees 60,21,000. Dear students, 5 sums you have to write in your classwork copy. Handwriting should be neat and clear. Thank you.